You're all gonna look at me and think I'm crazy. I bought this EagleTec keyboard. Came today. It's mechanical keyboard and it's metal. Really nice keys. It reminds you of the old type. I mean, it's heavy. Reminds you of the old type keyboards that were on typewriters. Originally, I wanted a real quiet keyboard that was responsive to the touch, but I realized that that's not quite possible. Okay. This is the setup. Purple. I don't know what this is. Is this? Oh, Firefox. Okay. So I'm on Firefox here, and I got this keyboard's responsive. So it's kind of like a keyboard, like a typewriter. And I really wanted something that if I want to type something up, it's not going to miss a key and get that feel to it. Where a lot of the wireless keyboards, I'll be typing and I look and oh wow, this letter's missing, that letter's missing, and it'll come up. I got to go back and do revision. And at that point, it's lost my train of thought. So what this gives you is more of a slower typing speed, where I'm like super fast. Like I don't know how many minutes I am, words a minute, but it's super fast, but it's really loud. It gives you that typewriter feel. So I'm going to type in like Facebook. You hear that? You got that clicky feel. I'm going to take one of these keys off. Okay, I'll take off the escape key. I'm going to show you what a mechanical keyboard. They're loud, but I love it. You got the bottom of the key, it pops off. You have all these mechanics to it. Let's see. That you press on it actually is mechanical, like old timers with me. The first keyboard you have, the first computer, the first typewriters, and I'm typing. You're gonna know I'm getting inspiration. And for somebody like myself that's easily distracted by the TV or other things, this is very zen-like. I actually do like the sound. You know, it's something that's kind of counterproductive to what is big today. It's more for gaming, but I love it for typing. I love that rhythm. When you're a writer, there's a music to when you're writing something on a keyboard. I prefer handwriting, but when I'm typing it up, there is a music ambience to that. I'll have this until I realize, hey, you know, it's too loud. I don't like it. I'll go back to the quiet one, and I'll be sitting there typing. And I'll probably go back and forth, neurotically, because as a writer, that's what we do. Little tiny things, really little tiny things, are enough to piss you off. But you know, when you're looking at a manual keyboard like this, that's a mechanical one, you're looking at the depth of the keys. There's a lot of space here. It's very old school. I like it. Maybe I don't like it. I haven't made my mind up yet. This is way before you even start writing something on the page there. So you know, I hope you all appreciate this.